So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as we complete the next step in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HP current user, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows. You want to scroll down and expand Windows. Now you want to expand current version. Now you want to expand applets. Now you want to find Wordpad, you want to expand that. Now you want to find the options folder. You want to right click on options, click on delete, and then click on yes. Now once you've done that, we're going to be going back to our scan. Now once the scan has been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.